2007 Toyota 4Runner LED lights went out, and these were the tools that was needed to take out the tail lights. I use this one to, it's a 10 millimeter. I use it to loosen up the bottom bolt, and the other one was to loosen up the top bolt, which is a little further up to reach. I couldn't use that one, but unplug it, and then once it's unloosened, use your fingers just to take out the bolt. Be careful and don't drop it. Just because of a few LED lights went out, I had to go to AutoZone, or you could go to Toyota and get it, but AutoZone is $100, and if you go to Toyota, it would have been over $200 for it. I couldn't just replace the bulbs on the LED brake part, but so that's why I had to get the whole tail light. After unbolting it, it comes right out. And I used the old bulbs to put into the new one, which is easy. Basically, you know, take it out and it clicks right out and clicks right in. And putting all the bulbs in, that's the middle piece where the LEDs, for the LEDs, and everything's in place, and basically you just put it back on. I use the same tools. That one's for the top to tighten it up, and I use this one for the bottom because it won't reach the top one. It's not like it won't reach, it's just it's sticking out too long, it won't fit. So make sure the lights are on.